Meet the HondaJet Elite, a sleek $5.25 million aeronautical breakthrough that offers smooth flying and a luxurious experience. The unconventional aircraft was inspired by a beautifully shaped Salvatore Ferragamo high heel shoe, says Honda Aircraft Company CEO Mishimasa Fujino. While on a trip to Hawaii, he spotted the fancy heel and thought of a beautiful nose shape for the aircraft, and immediately it sparked ideas of merging functionality, ergonomics and aerodynamics. According to Honda, the HondaJet Elite is the fastest entry-level jet in its class, with a maximum cruise speed of 422 knots true airspeed, or 486 miles per hour, with a maximum cruise altitude of 43,000 feet. It's rated the highest in its class and designed to be significantly more fuel efficient, with a range of 1,437 nautical miles, making it the farthest flying aircraft in its class. The creation of the HondaJet Elite marks the Japanese automaker's second foray into the aeronautical space. The first HondaJet was released back in 2015. It offers executive seating for 4 in the main cabin, plus an optional side-facing 5th seat, as well as 2 in the cockpit. The roomy cabin is also an ideal workspace, thinking space, quiet space and a relaxing space. This private jet features a kitchen area equipped with a coffee maker, 4 super comfy plush leather seats and shiny veneer tables. It also has a private toilet in the back that turns into a seat with a seat belt if needed. By downloading an app on your smartphone, you can easily control the shades, audio and lights with just a press of a button. The HondaJet Elite is built with an over-the-wing engine mount configuration, meaning the engine is placed above the wings and not on the body of the aircraft itself. This engineering feat took over 2 decades of extensive development and research to perfect. This advancement is why it has a more spacious cabin, noise reduction and better fuel efficiency. Adding to these innovations is its composite fuselage and a natural laminar flow, or NLF fuselage nose and wing. To reduce aerodynamic drag, advanced aerodynamics and NLF technology were applied to the design of the main wing airfoil and fuselage nose shape. This pioneering approach to engineering contributes to HondaJet Elite's high cruising speed and increased fuel efficiency. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.